Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to withdraw money from Interactive Brokers using the client portal on the web. First, head to the Interactive Brokers website and click the Login button in the upper right corner, then select Portal Login, enter your username and password to access the client portal. Once you're logged in, click Transfer and Pay in the main menu, then select Transfer Funds. You'll see this in the navigation bar at the top of the page. If you have multiple accounts, the account selector will pop up. Just choose which account you want to withdraw from and click Continue. Now you'll see the Transfer Funds page. From the menu options, select Withdraw Funds. The withdrawal form will appear with currency and method selection fields at the top. In the currency list, select the currency you want to withdraw. The available withdrawal methods will update based on what you choose here. Once that's selected, move down to the Withdrawal Method section. You can either choose a previously saved bank account or select Use a new withdrawal method if this is your first time. If you're setting up a new method, you'll see a drop-down that says where will the funds be deposited. Select bank or non-bank financial institution, then click the link that says click here to locate your bank. A bank search pop-up will appear where you can search by routing number or bank name. Find your bank and enter the account details. This information gets saved for next time. Next, scroll down to the transaction information section and type the amount you want to withdraw in the withdrawal amount field. There's no minimum amount, so you can withdraw whatever you need. If you want to set up a recurring withdrawal, check the box that says make this a recurring transaction and fill in the frequency and start date. Otherwise, skip this and move on. Once you've entered your withdrawal amount, click the Create Withdrawal button at the bottom of the form. You'll be prompted to confirm your identity. Enter your two-factor authentication code from your IB key or the confirmation number that was emailed to you. Once that's done, you'll see a success message confirming your withdrawal has been submitted. Interactive Brokers will email you to confirm they've processed your request. The withdrawal typically completes within 2 business days. You get 1 free withdrawal per calendar month. Any additional withdrawals cost $10 each. If you need to check the status or cancel while it's still under review, go back to Transfer and Pay, then Transaction Status and History, and you'll see a reverse button next to Pending Withdrawals. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.